The city of Perth is a bustling metropolis of over 2 million people located on the west coast of Australia. It offers a unique combination of modern infrastructure and natural beauty, making it an ideal destination for travellers from all over the world. Perth's beaches are famous for their crystal clear waters and unspoiled shores. You can use a drone to capture panoramic views of famous places like Cottesloe Beach or Scarborough Beach, revealing their mesmerizing beauty from above. In addition to beautiful beaches, Perth boasts a diverse landscape that includes extensive parks, botanical gardens and scenic vistas. Whether you're planning a leisurely vacation or seeking adventure in the wilderness, Perth has something to offer every traveller. Its warm climate throughout most of the year makes it an attractive destination for outdoor activities. Perth's unique combination of urban development and natural beauty has made it a popular destination for travellers from all over the world.